Okay, so I got a Swiss Army. So I got a Swiss Army knife from the local Canadian Tire store. And I got the Swiss Army Classic Red, small and compact, and knife's pretty sharp. It's got a nail file, a little flathead screwdriver, and the blade's actually quite sharp. But and it's got a scissors. Scissors cuts pretty good. Very sharp little scissor. Good quality is expected from Swiss Army. Also comes with a toothpick and tweezers. I tried to replace the toothpick with a ferrocerium rod from Firefly, but the pocket knife I bought is way too small. Anyways, I'll probably get some more Swiss Army knives and hopefully I won't have too much of a hard time trying to figure out which ones to use.